Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Gather tools before starting. Use a 10mm socket, panel pry tool, Torx T20, and a Phillips screwdriver. Park the Subaru Forester on level ground with the parking brake engaged to prevent movement. Work on a cold car. Remove the negative battery terminal or disconnect the battery to avoid shorting the mirror motor or airbags. Wear safety glasses and gloves and keep small parts in a tray. Confirm window is fully up to access the door trim and mirror mounting area safely. Begin by removing the inner triangular trim panel. Remove any plastic clips or a small Phillips screw, then pry gently with a panel pry tool to avoid breaking clips. Peel back the weather seal to expose the mirror mounting studs and the 3 10mm nuts that secure the mirror assembly to the door. Support the mirror with one hand while loosening and removing the top nut so the mirror does not drop. Keep track of washers, clips, and the foam gasket for reinstallation. Before removing the mirror, disconnect the mirror harness by pressing the tab and pulling the connector straight out. Avoid pulling on wires. Remove the remaining 10mm nuts and carefully lift the mirror away from the door, transferring any mounting foam or gasket to the replacement part. Align the new mirror on the 3 studs, hand start the nuts, and support the mirror while tightening. Reconnect the wiring, reconnect the negative battery terminal, test mirror functions and heating, and torque nuts to 4/6 Nm if manufacturer specifies that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.